Did you know that a rear-facing camera can be the game changer for safety and security while driving? Whether you're looking to capture incidents from behind or simply want a better view, a rear window camera adds peace of mind to every journey. Today, we're diving into the Nextbase Rear Window Camera, compatible with the 322GW, 422GW, 522GW, and 622GW dash cams. So let's see if this addition is the right choice for your car. Welcome to Autovated, your go-to spot for honest and in-depth reviews. If you're considering expanding your dashcam setup with the Nextbase Rear Window Camera, let's break it down based on expert feedback, real-world usage, and performance. Product overview. The Nextbase Rear Window Camera is designed to enhance your driving experience with full rear view coverage. Compatible with Nextbase's 322GW, 422GW, 522GW, and 622GW models, this camera provides simultaneous front and rear footage. Depending on the dashcam model, the rear camera records in resolutions ranging from 720p to 4K. The 6.5-meter cable connects to your front-facing camera, offering an easy and hidden installation for a clean, functional setup. The magnetic mount allows you to position the camera exactly where it's needed, providing complete rear visibility. And with picture-in-picture PEEP playback, you can view footage from both cameras on your main screen, so you never miss a moment. Key features. 1. Full rear view coverage. With a wide 140-degree angle, this camera ensures you have a clear view of what's behind you, whether you're reversing or driving. 2. Easy installation. The 6.5-meter cable is long enough to connect the rear camera discreetly to your front-facing dashcam, leaving your setup clean and efficient. 3. Magnetic mount. This feature provides ultimate flexibility, allowing you to adjust the camera for the perfect rear view angle. 4. Picture-in-picture playback. You can view the rear footage directly on the dashcam's display, which is especially handy when reviewing footage. Real-world testing and usage experience. From the moment I set up the camera, the installation was straightforward. No complicated wires or bulky add-ons. The magnetic mount made it easy to adjust the camera for the optimal view, and the cable length was perfect for hiding the wires along the roof lining of the car. The rear view on the screen was sharp and clear, even in lower light conditions, thanks to the high-quality recording features of the 522GW model I tested it with. The picture-in-picture feature worked seamlessly, and it was incredibly convenient to have both views on one screen. Pros and cons. Pros: easy to install with hidden cables. Magnetic mount gives flexibility in camera placement. Excellent video quality with support for up to 4K resolution, depending on dashcam model. Picture-in-picture playback enhances convenience and visibility. Fully compatible with multiple Nextbase dashcam models. Cons: the 6.5-meter cable may not fit all vehicle types perfectly, especially larger SUVs or vans with complex roof linings. If you're looking for a rear cam that can function independently, this might not be the best choice, as it's dependent on the Nextbase front-facing camera. A little on the pricier side compared to some other rear cameras on the market. Value for money. When you consider the build quality, ease of installation, and the added security of having a rear view camera, the Nextbase Rear Window Camera offers solid value. However, it's definitely priced at a premium, especially when compared to other rear camera options that can be installed independently. But if you're already using a Nextbase dashcam, the integration and performance make it a great choice. Comparison with competitors. Compared to other rear cameras, like the Garmin Dashcam Tandem or the Viofo A129 Pro Duo, the Nextbase camera stands out with its seamless integration with the front camera. However, competitors like Viofo offer more flexible installation options, as their cameras can operate independently, while the Nextbase requires the front dashcam for functionality. On the other hand, the Nextbase model shines in video quality and ease of use. Build quality and longevity. The Nextbase Rear Window Camera is well constructed, with sturdy materials and a durable design. The magnetic mount is robust and holds the camera firmly in place, even in high-speed situations. Based on user feedback and expert reviews, it's built to last, and Nextbase has a solid reputation for reliability in their products. Customer support. Nextbase is known for providing good customer service, with quick responses and helpful troubleshooting. If you run into any issues with installation or functionality, you can expect reliable support from the brand. Who it's for. This camera is perfect for drivers who are already using a Nextbase Dashcam and want to upgrade their security setup with a rear-view camera. It's also ideal for those looking for easy installation, reliable performance, and high-quality video footage. If you're a commuter or frequently drive in high-traffic areas, this can be a great addition for added peace of mind. Conclusion: strong option. If you already own a Nextbase Dashcam and value high-quality rear coverage, this is one of the best options available. The integration with your front-facing camera, the magnetic mount, and the excellent video quality make it a solid investment. If you're on a tighter budget or want more flexibility in camera placement, you might want to consider alternatives. If this review has helped you park your doubts, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, Autovated is here to keep your ride smooth and your car tech-savvy. Drive safe, and see you next time.